Hi everyone, in this full tutorial I'm going to show you how to run Google Ads for your Shopify store in 2025, and in this video I'm going to break down step by step guideline. Whether you are launching your first campaign or just want to improve your result, this video will make you through. And in this video we are going to show you Google Ad account setup, linking Shopify with Google, and then creating shopping and search campaign and budget targeting and optimization tips. So let's get started. So first of all, we are going to talk about create your Google Ads account. So for that reason you need to visit on ads.google.com. Once you visit that place, you will get something like this interface. So here you need to click on start now and sign in with your Google account. If you have an account, then you will redirect to this page. If you are totally new in this page, like you need to choose expert mode to unlock your all features. So here you need to click over here, and then you need to switch account, or you need to set up all these necessary steps for displaying your ads in Google. Then click create an account without a campaign, set up your billing, country, time zone and currency. Now your account is ready to run campaign. So here you can see we have this apps enter payment. Once you complete all this necessary step, now you are allowed to do whatever you want. So I am going to go over here and they will ask for the billing. I'm going to click on continue, and then I will fulfill all these steps. Once I done, then it will be redirect me to the second step, and the second step is connect Shopify to Google Ads. And here we need to do our essential things throughout the video, that in your Shopify admin panel I need to go to the sales channel, Google and YouTube. So that for reason I don't have any app yet for Google and YouTube. So I'm going to click on ads, then I will click on Shopify app store. Once I click over here, it will redirect to me to this Shopify app store, and here I will search Google and YouTube, and I will get my desired apps here. Here you can see this is the apps. So I will click on install. Once I click over here, it will take a while to install, so we need to stop here. Then it will, when reload perfectly, then it will give us the option to install it in our Shopify store. So let's click on install. Once I click over here, then you can see it will take a while again, then it will install perfectly in our Shopify store. As you can see, it has been installed. So I'm going to click over here. Now you need to connect Google account. Just click on connect. Once you click over here, then you need to link your Gmail with this one. Just click over here, then click on continue, and now you can see it has been connected. And your digital product, if you visit your ads, and you can see this is the number, and here you have this number. So let's go. First of all, link your account like Google Ad account, Merchant Center, Google Analytics. It's optional but recommended. Then sync your product fit. Ensure your product meets Google requirement. Approve any missing info like GTIN, availability, image, etc. This allows Shopify to push your products into Google shopping campaigns automatically. So I need to click on connect. Once I click over here, you don't have access to Merchant Center, so visit Merchant Center and then create an account over that place. And I agree, then confirm. This is the steps you need to follow when you are doing your work. Let's click on connect. Okay, the account is already associated with another store, so I need to create another association. So let's click on this manage business manager. So there is some error will become, you need to resolve those, then you can easily connect your options. So here you can see you need to add service. I'm going to add service. Next, link to Google Ads, new account, country Bangladesh. So follow this necessary step, and then you are allowed, because I already add this digital product to another merchant, so it's giving us the error. So After completing this, you need to create a performance max shopping campaign back into your Google Ad dashboard. So once you come over that place, you will get the option for create a new campaign. Choose your campaign type. Here you can see we have campaign type like performance max, then search, video, whatever you want is totally up to you. So I'm going to choose this one, video, or I can choose display one. This may be perfect. Then click on next, and once you click on the next, then it will take a while, and now you can see the campaign setting. They are asking for choosing the location. Here we need to choose the location, like enter another location. Like I'm looking for United States, I will search over here, then I will click on included. You can choose whether it United Kingdom or it's European country, whatever you want, you are allowed to choose it. Then you can choose the language. If you want to choose Bangla, then search for Bengali, and here you can see it already added. Here you can see the more settings, so I don't need to, it will recommended for me, so I'm going to click on next. Now they are asking for USD dollar. How much will be your budget for this campaign? I will say 20. You can go with the bidding one. It sometimes works, sometimes not. That's why I will leave it. Next, click on next. And now the main thing occur in here, ad targeting. So optimize your targeting setup for you. Like optimize targeting help you to get more conversation by using information such as your landing page and assets. You can opt out or speed up optimization by adding targeting first. Next, and now here you can see this is our website. I'm going to copy the link of our website. Let's go on to click over here, and this is our website, and I'm going to add it here. Then I will give a name that will be Raymond. This is my website. Then I can add images. So here I can choose images, logos, videos, headline, and whether you can see description. One by one is totally up to you. Then you can click on create ad. No image or headline I added, that's why. Let's click on again, so I can edit it. So I'm going to add some image over that place. This image will be perfect for me. This may be good, that's why I choose it. Let's go on to the logos. Then I will choose this one, then click on save. And again, I don't have any videos, that's why I'm not able to add videos. I'm going to add headline. That will be my first ad. Yeah, now if I click on apply changes, now you can see our ad will be something like this. And then click on next. Once I click over here, then it will give me these options here, checking for errors. Now you can see ad creation errors, fix errors in your ad. If you have any errors, then that will aware you. Like let's click on fix it. So here we have could not find one square image, so you need to be add a square image over that place. So this will be a square image, so I'm going to add this one. Let's click on save. Once I click on the save, now let's go, and I need to add a headline again here, long headline. Love it, subscribe. Then add a description. That description will be demo description, so I don't want to add anything. Apply changes. Now you can see click on next, and it will take time to checking the errors. So if I talk about the step 4, then create a brand search campaign. So my error has not fixed yet, that's why I'm going to click on where is the error, view details, and let's find out where is the error I got. So you need to find it out, so it's totally up to you. So once you're done, then you need to be track your Google ad by go to online stores, preference, scroll down, Google tag ID, paste your Google ad conversation ID. So here you will get this option. If you want to see it, just click over here, then you can see it. Then once you done your ad, you just need to be publish it, and once you publish it, you will get the result or your desired result from your ad campaign. And that's it. That's how to fully set up and run Google Ads for your Shopify store in 2025. If this video helped you out, give it a like, subscribe for more Shopify and ad tutorials. Got questions, drop them into the comments. I will here to help you. Thanks for watching and good luck growing your store.